This is the part 2 video of Graphing Calculator project. Okay, we've got our plots off. Line 5 says hit the VARS button. I think that stands for variables. We want to arrow over to YVARS, so arrow over to that. And you want to choose 4 on and off. So I'm going to hit the number 4, and we want function off. So turn that off, and then hit enter. What that does is if you have any equations in your y equals, they will not graph. All right, we're down to line 6. We want to hit zoom. Z square is option number 5. Go ahead and hit that and hit enter again. Let me tell you what that's all about. Let me grab my inner right pad here. What that does is if we are on our graphing screen here, if we are going from an x of -10 to an x of +10 in the x direction, and if we're going from -10 to +10 in the y direction, then the distance between the tick marks on the x-axis are going to be wider apart than the tick marks on the y-axis. And if we leave it like that, any circles that you put in are going to look oval. Well, we don't want that, and we want your quadratics to look proper also. So hitting Z square actually extends your x-min and your x-max so that the distance between the tick marks is all the same. All right, so that is all of the steps to initially set up your calculator for the project. You don't have to save it. It's already been saved. You can hit second quit to get out, and if you hit program, there's your program. If you want to go in and edit, you go in and hit edit. If you want to execute it and see what it looks like, you can hit execute, but we have nothing to look at yet. Now, I have to warn you at this step. If someone comes in behind you and either takes out the batteries or does second mem 712 to reset the calculator, right now as it is, your program will be gone. All right? What we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to archive your program so that won't happen. Every day when you're done working on your calculator project, you have got to archive your program. You go into second mem. Option number 5 is archive. Hit 5 for archive. Now it wants to know what you want to archive. You hit program and you choose your program name. Okay, my program name is highlighted. Hit enter again. See, my calculator's thinking about it, and it's done. Now hit program again, and do you see the little star next to my name? That indicates that I have archived my program. Now if I do second mem 712, or if the batteries are taken out, my program will still be there. See, it's still there. All right, if you guys see anybody else's program that's not archived, go ahead and archive it for them, and they really will appreciate that. Okay, now if I want to go back and edit, I have got to go unarchive it. So second mem, unarchive is option number 6. So hit 6. It wants to know what you want to unarchive. Hit program, choose your program name, and hit enter twice. Now if you go back to program, the little star is gone. So now you could go over to edit and hit enter. And we're right back to where we left off. Okay? All right. Let's see here. We don't have much time left. I'm going to start with box number 2 on your programming steps and notes, beginning programming in the next video.